Next up, thinning the herd, Tier 1, Shadow Company. In this we need to kill 5 Konni soldiers in Mazrah, 6 in Vondel, and 5 on Ashika Island. Very simple. Alright, so killing Konni soldiers on Ashika Island, they're just bots that run around. They're very easy to find. They're these ones. Nothing too special about them. Simply locate bots to take out and get rid of them. It's very easy to get 6 kills very quickly, and it's pretty much done just like that. They're usually wearing red masks, bandanas, balaclavas, and things like that, so they're easy to spot, but they're the most plentiful Tier 1 bots in this game. So I assume we should kill 5 of these boys. 6, yeah, just disguise. Obviously, on Vondel, you'll be doing the exact same thing, locating these bandana boys and clearing 6 of them on this map rather than 5. There we go, thinning the herd is now complete. So usually you'll find these bots hanging around the El Sharim Pass location here, but they probably are at the spawn locations for these bandana wearing, balaclava wearing bots, but it seems that here is going to be the highest, easiest to find concentration, and not to mention the radiation zone usually spawns here as well, so you could probably finish X-rays as well. I'm pretty sure just to the south of here in Akhtar village, you'll find a ton of these bandana wearing bots as well. Obviously, they'll have different spawn locations. I think Rohan Oil is also another spawn location for these, but they're dotted around Al Mazrah. Definitely not as plentiful as the other maps, but they do exist on these maps, and they do run around quite a bit. So hopefully you found this useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and we'll see you all next time. Ciao.